What's up, guys? This is part 2 of the 2017 WRX rebuild. We're gonna try to get the FA20 put together and maybe put it into the car. That might be a third video of wrapping this project up. You might notice that my Supra is back from getting painted. It came out awesome. I'm seriously blown away by the job that they did to this. It is Ford Platinum White. I don't think I could have picked a cooler color. I will be resuming my Supra build here very, very soon, so expect some videos coming out on this thing right after this WRX is out of the garage. So let's get started on this engine. I got the IAG air oil separator, IAG stage 2 short block, South Bend stage 3 clutch. All right, we're gonna pull the oil pan off, probably see the spun bearing, hopefully, and we're gonna try to move parts over one at a time to the new short block. Alright, here it is, the prized piece of this. It's pretty nice. It looks a lot nicer than this one that's covered in coolant.
It's coming. The sound. I see it coming. You hear it goes. It's like Brian.
It's gonna come.
Yeah, it's on.
There's another pride thing over here.
That's what he said.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Oh,
Careful with it.
should do it that way for the camera. Look at that. Oh, those are the orange rings I got, I think.
Alright, we just got the girdle off. Definitely some carnage going on. Nice piece of piston there. I think this is cylinder number 4 in the back. The skirt is definitely damaged on it. So further investigation. This cylinder has a bent rod. It's contacting the crank, you can kind of see, which maybe happened after the piston failed, I'm not sure. But also, this cylinder as well has a slight bend to the rod, which you can maybe see it is also contacting the crank. Right, the cam carriers and cams are back from the machine shop. They had to polish all the journals because they were slightly scored. They weren't that bad, but figured it wasn't a bad idea. I also got the flywheel surfaced since we're putting a new clutch on it. All right, we've been cleaning up RTV on the cam carriers for hours now, and we just discovered a hairline crack in one of the main cam caps. You can kind of see it there. I don't know if it'll matter since the cam caps themselves are torqued here. The crack is here, so we RTV it up, it'd probably be okay. Otherwise, I'd say the heads, I mean, this, I guess you get it welded maybe, but definitely not fun to find.
Gotcha.
All right, so one thing you might have noticed is we just threw all the cam caps and everything together, which is probably not advisable, but they are marked with the head casting number. I don't know if you'll be able to see this here. These caps are all marked with 407, which 407 correlates to the casting number on the side of this head, which is over here. That should be unique from side to side. They also have exhaust and intake, so you know where it is located on the actual head. Hands are getting so tired.
His hands are so tired. I'm trying not to breathe heavily into it. Laying pipe. Is that what the kids mean?
Yep, that's exactly what they mean when they say that.
Chris just laid some pipe.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. Cleaning RTV took us literally hours. We actually went and bought a parts washer, but the heads are on, the cams are on. Not too much left to do on this engine other than get all the timing components on and take manifold and whatnot. So in the next video, we'll be wrapping this up, putting it in the car, and hopefully driving it down the street. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in the series, and please drop a like on the video too. Thanks.